Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made these strong sturdy boxes that can be used as inserts for storage units. It is just a matter of measurements and some staples to put it all together. Watch till the end to see a demonstration by my little assistant on how this can be used. So this is the plywood that I used for this project. As you can see, these are very old and tattered. I managed to upcycle these for this project. I have made this for my B&M storage units. With slight adjustments, these boxes can also be used with storage units that are bought from IKEA and Lauren James. Here I'm just cutting the pieces to size. These cuts can be also made with a handsaw, but to save time I'm using my table saw. The measurements should come up on the screen now. I am cutting out a total of 10 pieces to make 2 boxes. After I cut out the pieces, I clamped them together and sanded them edge to edge so they fit evenly and all the pieces are exactly the same. Here I'm sanding the surfaces to give it a cleaner look. This will make it smooth overall and easy for the paint to settle. Here I am dry fitting everything to make sure it is all squared up and it all fits correctly. This is good practice as you don't want to then find out when trying to permanently attach everything it doesn't match up and the sides are not even. This is just a quick comparison to the B&M store-bought fabric insert. As you can see, I replicated the size, but it is much more sturdy in comparison. Here I'm cutting out 2 notches to use as handles. This will make it easy to take it out and put it back in. So to do this, I drilled 2 holes and used my jigsaw to remove the center. With the holes now cut out, I will then use my jigsaw. Then I started the assembly process. I used my clamps to hold it in position while I used my nail gun to drive in the staples. Here I'm just tapping the protruding staples in to strengthen the joints. I decided to go for a grey finish as it is trending right now. They will also complement the B&M store-bought baskets. So this is how it turned out. As you can see, it fits perfectly. This is because I replicated the size of the store-bought boxes. As you can see, the store-bought ones are very flimsy compared to the ones that I've made out of plywood. I wouldn't recommend storing shoes in the fabric boxes as that could cause damping. Overall, I'm very pleased with this project.
My shoe collector, look, it's showing his shoes.
Now let's play a game. Let's see if we can tidy up the shoes.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
First, this one can go there. First this go there, and this can go there, and this can go in this box, and this can be in this box, and this can be in this. And this one and this one.
Oh.
Daddy, how do you put this in?
Okay.
And I can't put this in.
Is it all tidy now?
Yes, all tidy and clean.
Good girl.
We did it.
We did it, yeah.